This house is located on Alakeshwara Road in Ethul Kotte, a densely populated residential area in Sri Jayawardenapura. It is designed as a two-story structure with a total floor area of 4,025 square feet. This house is owned by a young couple that recently married and busy with their jobs in the IT field. They dreamed of a modern house where they could relax and find peace while still maintaining a lively atmosphere. To meet the client's desires and fit with the site and surroundings, the design was created as a well-thought-out combination of indoor rooms and outdoor gardens that give the illusion of endless space on a small 14-perch urban plot. The ground floor includes parking space for 2 vehicles, a living area, a visitor room, a dining area, a pantry, and a service area. The land has a 4-foot incline from east to west, allowing for the placement of ground floor spaces at varying levels. This creates a visually interconnected layout and a playful flow between different activities. The elevated ground level ensures privacy from the outside, while still offering a beautiful view of the marshy land from the garden. The entrance is linear and narrow, leading to a spacious living area that is flooded with natural light through large timber and glazed door windows. This brings a sense of nature into the indoor spaces. The central courtyard, open to the sky, serves as the heart of the house, fostering interaction between all the spaces both horizontally and vertically. The wooden columns and flooring add a warm and modern touch, reminiscent of traditional Sri Lankan courtyards.